Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the perfect text and image designer feature on Artistly, and I do have a few different examples here. So all of these images were created using this particular feature, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same too. But before we jump in, I would love to invite you to join my free school community. Here you will find a copy of the step-by-step process that we'll be doing in today's video, along with some prompts that you can use as well. The link will be left down below if you'd like to check it out. Let's jump on in. So we are currently on Artistly at the moment, and the tab that we're going to be using is this AI Image Designer version 6 option up the top here. And then we're just going to select this perfect text in Image Designer. And this is going to request us to put in our prompt where we're basically going to be describing what it is we would like to create. Now, the more detail we do provide, the better outcome we're going to get. So I've already created some prompts that I'm just going to be pasting in. So the first one is a dark brick wall featuring bold 3D street art, graffiti text saying I love Artistly in glowing neon spray paint with a dripping paint effect and vibrant pink, purple and blue tones. And as you can see here in the top left hand corner, this enhance prompt button does automatically appear. And what it does is it takes our prompt as is and it does automatically extend on it for us, which is really cool. So I'm going to leave this one on and we are going to select generate. Now this is automatically going to take us over to our personal designs tab, and as you can see here the image has started to process. So if I just scroll up and or scroll across, this is where we're currently now, and this is where you'll find a copy of all your past designs. But I'm going to go back over to those same steps and we're just going to add in a different prompt. So we'll go AI Image Designer version 6 and then perfect text in Image Designer, and we're just going to paste in our next option. So this one does say modern content creator workspace with glowing text saying join my school community, a static desk setup with neon lighting. And one thing that I've quickly wanted to point out here is any kind of text that you would like to include, I always like to put it in these quotation marks here. This just really helps guide the AI to include the correct spelling. And I'm going to select generate. And you can see one of our images have already generated, and this one looks really, really cool. If we use this eyeball to click onto it, you can see how detailed it is. And then down the bottom here, we do have a different prompt. So this is not the prompt that we began with. This is just because that enhanced prompt feature was turned on. You can see how much more detailed it is and how much more information it has added in there. So we're going to go back and we're just going to keep repeating that same process just with different types of prompts. I've tried to do some with like shorter writing, some with longer writing, and then some in different types of themes too. So a few things that I like to add in my prompt is we've got the scene or the theme. We've also got the type of letters that we would like to include, like the style. We've also got the wording, and then I like to add in a color palette too. You can also regenerate just by selecting this eyeball and selecting this regenerate button, but it is going to have the prompt there already, so I prefer just to start from scratch. But we'll put in our next one. This one says luxury pink makeup compact with elegant typography saying hey there gorgeous, feminine beauty branding aesthetic, soft glam lighting, ultra detailed cosmetic photography, dreamy pink tones. And again, we're going to select that generate button. Awesome. We also have this join my school community one too. And you can see how good it has done with writing out the words correctly. This is something that AI still seems to struggle with a lot on like lots of different applications. It is getting better, but sometimes it just likes to throw in random letters. The next one we're going to do is a takeaway coffee cup with elegant text saying coffee lover, warm cafe atmosphere, creamy coffee tones. We've also got WebWireStudios. That one looks really cool. We've even got like a flying car in there, which is really cool. And the last one that I have here is cute, groovy, retro typography design saying don't forget to like and subscribe, soft pink and white color palette, playful 70s inspired lettering, wavy textile, trendy feminine aesthetic, dreamy pastel background, soft girly vibe with sparkles. And this text here is a lot longer, so this is our longest text, so we're going to make sure that this one does turn out correctly. We've got this one here. I can't say that I like this, so I'll definitely regenerate this one. The one that I made earlier is a lot nicer, so you can see this one here. But we do have our coffee one too. Now, while we're waiting for that one to load, I'll just jump back over to here. And if you are on the $147 commercial plan, this should automatically be here already. If not, what you can do is go on to trustpilot.com, leave an honest review of what you think about Artisly, screenshot your review and send it to the team and they will unlock this feature for you. This is how I personally got access a wee while ago. I believe from there they were going to roll it out to everyone, but just in case, that is something to bear in mind. I'll leave the instructions and email down below if you'd like to check it out just in case. But we'll jump back over to this tab and see if our design has finished. Awesome, so we've got don't forget to like and subscribe. It's come back correct, which is great. So yeah, that is this feature here. I just thought I'd jump on and show you guys around. I think it's actually really cool. It's done a really good job of our images. Again, if you would like to join my WebWireStudios school account, I would love to have you a part of it. We are currently 133 members strong, which is so exciting. In here, you'll find a copy of all my YouTube tutorials. I've got step-by-step instructions along with freebies too. So come and join. I'd love to say hi. Thank you so much for your time and watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.